How are you?
Sam, are you composing a letter?
Yes, I have a slime friend. He lives in Alaska, in the very north.
Ooh.
It's so cold there. I want to send him a letter to warm him with my friendship. Oh, wait. What if the letter freezes on the way?
Letter freezes?
Oh, it will be horrible. An icicle instead of warm wishes.
So what do you suggest?
You're asking me?
Well, yes. You're the boss.
Oh, yes. Well, we need to make something warm for sending letters.
Like a warm, fuzzy envelope, for example?
Yes, that's right. Proceed, and I need to write the letter.
But
I'm the boss. I'm not supposed to do the envelopes.
Oh, and I'm supposed to do the envelopes then. Well, fine. I have this really nice kit here. I'll arrange everything first. I'll put these here, and this stuff over there.
What's this? Oh, an envelope made of felt.
Mm-hmm.
Fine, I'll make the stamps. Stamps are the most important part of the envelope.
Why, thank you, boss. That's so kind of you. Okay, I'll start sewing the main part of the envelope. This needle right here is made out of plastic, and it's completely safe. I'm not risking pricking my finger. I'm using this black thread here for contrast. I think it looks really stylish.
Oh, Sue! Can you imagine? There was minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit in Alaska one time.
Minus 80? Wow.
So make that envelope really warm.
All right, I will. Okay, I'm done with the upper part. Now, I'll sew the button on. I'll need to sew it really tight to make sure it doesn't fall off. So we go in one end and out the other.
Oh no! Oh no! What if my slime friend is already frozen solid out there?
I think you should stay warm at home.
Guys, do you know at which temperature slime freezes? Write in the comments! I really need to know!
Now I'll sew these parts together. That's how the back of the envelope usually looks, right? In there and out. And I'll add some decorations too. And the second half of the button. Right! Our envelope is almost ready!
There! I've put the stamps together.
Well, I'll place them here. And the second one. And done!
Oh, yay! Awesome! I'll go finish the letter. And if you liked this warm envelope too, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
Ooh, I'll put this one in as well.
Alright, my letter is finished. Where's my... What? Sue, what is all of this?
Well, I think I made a rather cute handbag. Look, it's even got a strap. So, I'm keeping it.
But what about the letter to Alaska?
Well, we can send an email. It'll get there much faster that way.
Oh.